Hello, I'm Shanti, CTO of Alpha Systems Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to explain the material procurement process followed in Tpcs. It is a very simple four-step process. When implemented successfully, you will be able to avoid stocking up excess inventory and also avoid shortage of materials in the production line. So step number one is to have an accurate bill of material with proper amendment process and authorization process and maintaining the history of bill of material. Step 2 is to have a detailed material requirement planning from which you will get the shortage material, calculation for the shortage items. And step 3 is to prepare indents based on the shortages calculated in the planning module. And step 4 is to prepare purchase orders with reference to the indent number. So everywhere in TPCs we have automatic calculations and automatic copying of data from the bill of material to planning to indent to purchase order. I'll show you how these four steps we do in TPCs. So let me log into TPCs and I'll go to bill of material. Step 1 is to have a clear bill of material. This is showing a recent BOMs. I'll select one BOM. So bill of materials will be associated with one particular style and color. When the order is received, system will find out the corresponding bill of material and it will calculate the materials required accordingly based on the sizes, if the sizes are applicable, like for sole, insole. And for the other industry, there won't be any sizes. So for here, if you see in the bill of material, we have a style and color. There is a parent BOM to copy data from and mean size. These are the items, color and requirement, size schedule. And the components and subcomponent details, wastages. It's a detailed bill of material. I'll show you the print format. This is a sample picture with, so these headings like upper material, upper reinforcement, preparation, upper accessories, bottom components, all configurable. And here is the size schedule. Here I have given size schedule for heel. So size 35 to 37.5, 35, 35.5, 36, 37 will use a heel of A size. Same thing for 38 to 39.5 will use B, 40 to 42 will use C. So as per the size received in the buyer's order, the heel sizes will be, heels required will be calculated by the system. So once the BOM is ready, then is the material requirement planning. So after the orders are received, you will do a material requirement planning for all orders received. I'm going to do for one customer here. I'll choose all the order numbers. And let's calculate MRP for some groups like leather, insole, heel. You can also give the items requirement date. Okay, I'm just filtering it. Filter data and then you will see the calculations. So it is sorting the orders by the ex-factory date or the shipment date. And then you have style, item, color, required quantity, already issued, balance required. And this you have to purchase. And this you have to indent. If you see some material, you will see you have to purchase and this you have to indent. If indents are already placed, then the data will not appear under the to indent column. Now if you click this button, the data will be automatically copied as an indent. If you don't want, you can remove some of these data, or if you want to post indent for all the materials, then you can just click save. So my indent is posted, indent number 32. If I click, I can see the details. It has IO number reference. With reference, this is your order number reference. I have to approve the indent. So this is step number 3. So we did BOM, we did material planning, and from material planning we posted indent. And then once indent is approved, it will be available for purchase order releasing. And go to purchase order, display from indent. This is step 4. If you just display, system will display all the indent numbers, but here I'm going to choose the indent that we just prepared. If you see, I can see all the materials from the indent which are to different suppliers. These suppliers are preferred suppliers given in the bill of material. See, supplier 18, supplier 27, multiple suppliers there supplying different materials, and the prices are taken from the approved price list. So every supplier will have a negotiated price. From there the prices and tax slabs will be taken. Now if I click save, it's asking PO number, date, and the purchase type, PO validity, and if I click save, so it has given me like 5 purchase orders, each 1 purchase order per supplier. Okay, so now they have to approve this purchase order. We can check and approve the purchase order. If you take a printout, this is the purchase order printout. This is, I mean, it's printing as unauthorized because we haven't yet authorized it. And it will appear under purchase order approval. Once approved, the purchase orders are released. So it's very simple from material planning to PO releasing. We have reports to track the pending purchase orders, pending indents, pending purchase orders, and there's one important report is requirement to purchase order comparison. You will see all orders and what is their required quantity and what is indent, for what quantity indent is placed, whether it is excess or short. Same thing like for purchase order, whether purchase orders are placed, it is excess or short purchase. It's a very important, very useful report. For each IO, you will see items required, required quantity, indent quantity, balance to indent, excess indent, and PO, excess PO. Like this, we have pending purchase order report with expected time of delivery from the supplier. So there are many reports we have to do the material follow-up. So this is about the procurement process in TPCS. Hope this video is useful to you. And this will save, actually, it will take 4 times less time to release your purchase order after receiving your customer order. Thank you.